Hey everyone, welcome back to CarOg 765, the home of classic car lovers. Today's episode is going to be something special. But before we jump in, here's a quick question. What if I told you one of the most stylish and toughest American pickups ever made came out more than 70 years ago, and still looks stunning today? Stick around, because you're about to discover a true automotive legend that's making a comeback this Black Friday, the 1949 Studebaker 2R5 pickup. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of car enthusiasts. Each week we bring you powerful stories of classic cars, pickups, and hidden gems that once ruled the American roads. So buckle up, because this one's going to take you back to the golden era of design, durability, and pure craftsmanship. When the 1949 Studebaker 2R5 first hit the streets, it didn't just compete, it changed the game. Studebaker had been building vehicles long before World War II, but the 2R5 marked a bold new direction. Its design was unlike any pickup of its time: smooth, curvy lines and a bold front end that looked more like a sleek car than a work truck. This wasn't just a tool for farmers or builders, it was a symbol of pride, progress, and American ingenuity. Under the hood, the Studebaker 2R5 carried a 170 cubic inch inline-six engine pushing out around 85 horsepower. That may not sound huge today, but back then, it was all about reliability and endurance. This engine was known to run for decades with minimal maintenance. Its 4-speed manual transmission gave drivers the power and control to conquer rough terrains, while the sturdy chassis made it nearly unbreakable. Whether it was hauling lumber, towing equipment, or taking the family into town, the 2R5 did it all with style. One of the coolest things about the Studebaker 2R5 was its futuristic design. The iconic, bullet nose, front end became Studebaker's signature, giving the pickup an instantly recognizable face. The rounded fenders and clean body lines gave it a modern look, so modern, in fact, that even today it turns heads at classic car shows. Inside, it was surprisingly comfortable, with wide bench seating, great visibility, and solid build quality. For a 1940s work truck, that was a big deal. But what really made this truck special was its lightweight and fuel-efficient design. While other trucks were heavy and rough to drive, the 2R5 was smooth, steady, and practical. That's why farmers and small business owners across America trusted it. Even after all these years, collectors still praise it for being ahead of its time, both in design and performance. And here's the exciting part. With Black Friday approaching, classic car lovers and restoration fans are buzzing again about Studebaker parts, model kits, and memorabilia. It's that time of the year when deals pop up everywhere, making it the perfect moment to dive into the classic car world. So if you've ever dreamed of owning or restoring a vintage pickup, now's the time to keep your eyes open. The 1949 Studebaker 2R5 is not just a truck, it's an icon, a masterpiece of American engineering that still captures hearts across generations. Every time you see a restored Studebaker 2R5 cruising down the road, you're witnessing a piece of living history. The sound of that inline-six engine, the shine of its chrome grille, and the feel of steel built to last, it's pure nostalgia. This truck tells a story of when America worked hard, dreamed big, and built vehicles meant to last forever. Thanks for watching CarOg 765. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive history, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment telling us which classic pickup you'd like to see next. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming Black Friday specials and more classic car stories. Stay tuned, because here on CarOg 765, the fire for timeless machines never goes out.